Hello YouTube and welcome back. Well, today we got Will's car in the shop. He's been having a gas line leaking for a while, and at $5 a gallon, ain't nobody got time for that. Nobody got time for that. So up under here it is pretty rusty. So Will went on the internet, found this fancy kit. It's all plastic. It's got your factory connections on there. Don't know what those are for. Zip ties. That goes up in the bay. So got
It's
our.
really reassuring when you say you don't know what those are for.
Well, you bought it. What are they for?
You're the mechanic.
I'm not a mechanic. I'm a YouTuber that watches other YouTube videos. I'm gonna edit that out.
No, you're not.
Probably not. Next size smaller.
That's not moving.
Oh.
That's moving.
Ta-da.
Well, I'll be. And here I thought this was going to be a pain in the ass. Oh, smells like Powers. Come on. I do not endorse huffing gasoline, but the right
And it's
chance.
probably just got a clip on there.
Yeah, it's this monstrosity down here. We could use some light. All right, GM. How do you get this apart? Flat screwdriver.
Little one right here. Not worried about taking out the factory clips and stuff. I just cut the line and zip tie everything.
Well, what are you waiting for?
Not my car.
Not my car either.
Oh,
It's the wife's car.
how's that working for you?
Well, her name's on it. That's fucking 10 mil.
Nope, there's a lot of 7 mil too. So we got the clip down there. Can't really see. We got that off. And Will is undoing the holders underneath, I'm assuming. I don't know. Trying to.
Oh, it's a holder that goes into a clip.
Oh.
Flathead screwdriver. Thank you.
Will's gonna become a YouTuber after this instead of podcast.
Either way, I don't get to record, so, you know, there's that.
I don't,
Well, that's one way to do it.
yeah. I don't think this union back here would be factory.
Why are these so close together? That's my question. Hey, GM, why are these so close together? You got some needle nose pliers. You pinch this and get that.
Why would you ask Pontiac? They don't exist anymore.
That's one. Because I want answers.
No answers.
That's why you asked General Motors, who thought it was a good idea to shut down Pontiac. Just snap already.
That's what you told it to do.
Yep.
Excellently. So we already cut the other, well, Will cut the other line and slid the new fitting in because we can't get these ones out. That one still has pressure in it. Well, had. Past tense. No cigarette breaks, Will.
Oh, I quit smoking years ago. My money.
Well, there goes $3. now. Feed line, return line have the new fittings on them. I'll probably cut these old lines out. We have one more fitting up front we got to take off. There. Fancy tool.
Yeah. It works when it's clean.
It looks like there's C-clip right here. So I guess for this clip that I was messing with, is just like a C-clip. You kind of just pry the two ends and then it just pops off. So let's say would it be easier to pull them out of the top?
I don't know. There's a 90 down here. What's the line you got up there?
8 inches.
Enough you can grab?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. All right, take it. Fuck you. We'll do an intro later.
Okay, it's on the fuel rail.
Work. Right?
Huh?
Oh, well, that explains why I was struggling with enough space. Are you connected up there?
Yeah.
Jesus.
The line you were worried about being too short, it's too long.
Apparently I have extra.
Ah.
Okay, we are away from any heat sinks, any...
Those were down the firewall. Good.
On the firewall, we will zip tie it to the AC lines. It's on there good?
Yep, I already got the clip on there too.
I just want to make sure I'm behind the CV axle. There we go. Sorry, the rack and pinion. That's the last thing we need. Oh, how many more times do I get crawl out of this fucking thing?
3.
Back, back, back. Okay, so we have the new lines run. Let me quick connects. Hopefully there's enough space up in there so that there's no pinching or binding or anything like that. We still have to put the tank back up. And a lot of zip ties, but we should be in a good position to start it and see if we have a leak. So fingers crossed on that.
Almost. Yeah, watch out, bud. Watch out.
Still by me.
Oh. Another project. Well, can't say it's rolled out of the shop successfully yet, but you guys heard it run. That's the important part. So,
If you're wondering, this was not fun. As far as difficulty of the job, I'm going to put this at like a 7 or 8. If you don't have the right tools, don't even attempt it. And by right tool, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about.
definitely need this for under the hood. And you definitely need this for the new lines.
Yes. This holds your line in place. It's part of a flaring tool kit. If you're going back to metal lines or like I'm doing, plastic to plastic, you need this. Otherwise, you're going to pinch and scar up your lines, which could lead to pressure breakage, and you don't want that. Get one.